Welcome to 27 Stevensgate Drive, a gorgeous 3+2 bedroom executive home situated on a premium corner property within the highly sought after Eagle Glen community of Northwest Ajax. Featuring a double-car garage and 2-car driveway parking, from the driveway to the front entrance of this John-bodied home is an interlocking walkway, along which are stone garden beds filled with mature shrubs. The covered front entrance has an interlocking stone floor as well, and is graced with both decor columns and a faux balcony above, enhancing its stately presence and curb appeal, while through its double front entry doors is a main level with a free-flowing layout and elegant principal rooms. The ceramic flooring of the spacious foyer also finishes the hallway, the laundry and powder rooms, as well as the kitchen area, while hardwood flooring brings rich warmth to the living and dining rooms. The living room has an arched entry with decor columns off the foyer, and this generously sized entertaining space also features an elegant light fixture with a ceiling medallion, a turret-shaped wall, and 5 west-facing windows with California shutters. Across the foyer and through a set of French doors, the dining room also features a turret-shaped wall and 5 west-facing windows with California shutters, as well as crown moldings and a contemporary chandelier. These 2 rooms are completely interchangeable for those who entertain on a grand scale or with frequency, especially if a larger dining area is needed or desired. Entertainers will also delight in the beautifully upgraded kitchen. This incredibly functional workspace showcases stainless steel appliances including an oven with induction cooktop, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a French door fridge with flex zone and bottom mount freezer drawers, cabinetry with exceptional storage plus a pantry, its creamy colored base cabinets and upper cabinets in a light gray shade complementing the tones of the quartz counters and backsplashes, has pot lighting throughout and a glass light fixture in the breakfast area, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink. The sliding door walkout and windows in the breakfast area have California shutters, and the walkout opens onto a fully fenced backyard with a storage shed and a large stone patio area for outdoor entertaining. To both the mid and upper levels are hardwood stairs with carpet runners, and at mid-level, above the garage, is the impressively sized family room, which showcases hardwood flooring and a vaulted ceiling with a contemporary light fixture. Natural light floods through 4 windows, 2 accent windows and 2 grand Palladian windows, all with California shutters, and having either south or west-facing exposures, giving the room a bright and airy atmosphere. And this exceptional entertaining and gathering space has the warmth of a corner gas fireplace finished with a beautifully trimmed mantel and a tiled hearth. The upper level has multiple windows throughout with east, west, or north-facing exposures, and also features hardwood flooring in the hallway, above which is a skylight for additional natural brightness. Both the second and third bedrooms have ample closet storage, quality laminate flooring, and west-facing windows, with the third bedroom having 4 windows all along its turret-shaped wall. The main 5-piece washroom on this level features a tiled floor and bath area, the privacy of a water closet, and a vanity with stone counter and double basins, while the linen closet is located across the hall between the 2 bedrooms. Through a double-door entry is the luxuriously sized master suite, showcasing a large walk-in closet and wide plank laminate flooring. Light through windows with west and north-facing exposures brightens this beautiful personal space, and 4 of these windows are along a turret-shaped wall that offers ample room for a lovely sitting area. The bright yet relaxing 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes throughout, the privacy of a water closet, a shower area with water glass door, a corner tub, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. The main level also features a mirrored door coat closet in the foyer, a powder room with a stone-top vanity and undermount basin, as well as a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, a storage closet, and cabinetry storage. And to the lower level is a set of hardwood steps to a ceramic tiled mid-landing, off of which is access to the garage, and continuing to the level itself is a carpeted set of stairs. Offering wonderful family and entertaining space, this fully developed level showcases ample storage, a 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basin, and 2 spacious bedrooms with pot lighting and laminate flooring. Divided by half walls into 2 distinct spaces while maintaining its open concept design, the recreation area features laminate flooring and pot lighting as well, in both its family media room and in its games and entertaining area. A short walk to Vimy Ridge and Rosemary Brown Public Schools and Meadows Park, as well as being close to the Nottingham Market Shopping Mall, places of worship, and golf courses. This home is also minutes from the McLean Community Centre and Durham Centre Shopping Mall, while the GO Station and access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away.